Here we're going to take a look at the Innova 6100P OBD-II scanner. Right here, the scanner is able to diagnose the check engine light or the OBD-II system. Also can do ABS, SRS. So we're going to go through these systems, and there's a few other options that you can do with this, such as a reset oil service reminder. That's the battery and alternator. But let's first go to the OBD-II. We're going to have the ignition in position 2. All the dash lights should be on, but with the engine off. Press enter right here, and it will detect the protocol for this vehicle, and then it will see if there is any codes stored in the ECU. So here we have no powertrain fault codes. So let's go back here. If somebody erased the check engine light, even if there is no light at all, but somebody plugs in a scanner and clears the codes, then these lights will not be green, because it takes can take up to a week, or maybe sometimes on some cars it takes up to 2 weeks for each one of these lights to turn on, all these systems to be tested with by the vehicle. So here we have all of them are green. We haven't disconnected the battery, we haven't reset the check engine light. Let's go ahead and do that anyway. Erase global OBD-II codes, and I'll press enter. Okay, so erase was successful. Okay, the next thing that you can test is the ABS. So we'll go to ABS, and unfortunately this scanner is not supporting this make. The same is happening for the SRS or the airbag system. This tool does not support the SRS for this vehicle. So let's go look at some other options. On the right here we got oil reset, and it says reset was not successful. Would you like to carry the procedure manually? And if you press enter, it'll show you the instructions on how to perform this. You turn on the ignition on, and then follow the arrows on the steering wheel of the vehicle. Other thing you have here, you can test the battery or the alternator, and you can also look up tool library. You can look up fault codes. So if you got like P0301, you can come in here, you can enter it, and it'll give you a description of that code. And then you can look codes for different makes as well. But that's it. A basic OBD-II scanner can diagnose engine, ABS, and airbag. You want to make sure they covers your particular make and model. Just because it says Mercedes, as we can see here, it's not covering this Mercedes E-Class model year 2004. So before you purchase this, make sure it covers your particular make and model. Otherwise, it's gonna work, but it's only gonna be a generic OBD-II scanner. It's gonna pull those check engine lights, check engine codes, but nothing else besides that. Thank you for watching.